an obvious response. Like, you care more about a physical person that's like there with you than like a make-believe digital world, right? That's just how it is. That's just the way it is, dude. Okay, so we are Sonny on Family House. Oof. We're a little squish squish. We a little squishy squish. So, ooh, they got a Johnny. They don't have a cook though. So that is kind of nice. That is kind of nice. I am probably gonna die this game though. I'm not even gonna deny it, dude. Not even going to deny. Okay, so what do we want to do here? We probably need to go out this backside. Backside. Bruh. Okay, okay, we need to go up this back door here. This is getting a little crazy. And I don't have a bone scrap. Crap. The checker's over there. Brick. Wow, this is really bad. I don't have bomb squad. Woo! Run. Oh my god. Okay, this is really bad. I don't have bomb squad. Dang, these guys really wanted us down here, dude. Man, he's hungry. This Johnny is hungry, dude. He needs some Sonny meat. He hungry, he hungry. Okay, so we need a... I actually don't know where the bone scraps are in this basement. I'm so bad. Oh my god. This is really bad, actually. Hello, any bone scrappers? Bone scraps. Hello? Hello, hello? Are you in here, peekaboo? Nope. Oh, yep, you're right there. Hello. Alright. Now, we are cooking now, dude. Woohoo, we are cooking now. Okay, who is that? Who's that? Oh, I think that's a Johnny. Frickin' A, dude. Oh, I'm stuck in the door. Hello. Oh, Grandpa heard me. Saw me. Oh, mid-checker's coming. And running back to the basement. Oh man, these guys really want us bad. Jesus, he's chasing me into the basement. My god. And Connie's standing there, and Johnny's right there. Oh no! Oh my god, he got stuck on the door? Oh shit. Oh shoot, dude. Okay. Is he back? Oh, that's Danny. Bro, why is everyone over here? Bro, please. Oh no, I think we're dead. This is really bad. I need to get this gate open or else we are so dead. Oh my god. Oh my god. Whew. Okay. Nice. Okay, one of my teammates died though. Hello. Oh, two of us are back here. I can distract the Johnny while my teammate. It's gonna be really bad if the hitchhiker comes back here though. Is the hitchhiker coming? No, the Nancy's coming. Oh my god, the hitchhiker's back here too. Oh my god, they're all back. Oh my god, they're all back here. Oh my god. Dang, this is Nancy's fast, bro. What the heck? GG. Bye. Adios, amigo. Nice. Okay. So I need my teammates to do something here. That was pretty good that we got that back gate open though. The problem is now I need to heal. Okay, they're all upstairs. They're not coming to get me. Damn, there's no heal here. Wow, I am really low. Damn, my teammates took all the heals, didn't they? Brick. Brick. Is there a heal over here? Nope. Damn, there are no heals down here. Well, hopefully. Oh, nice, they're spread out pretty far. Okay, I should be doing fuse here. Is the front door open? Oh, it is. Where's the generator at, though? Okay, I'm gonna run this. Alright, it is time. Does he have a trap here? He does. Oh my god. Please. All these traps. That's why you have to have bomb squad. Okay, the fuse is right here. I think they're coming up to me though. Yeah, they are. I can't open this. Ooh, that hurts. Okay. This is really bad. I'm gonna get trapped up here, possibly. Yes. Holy crap, dude. Okay, we got my boy Sonny. Gonna do a little shake and bake. Alright, we're gonna try to do what we did last game. Wait, do they have a cook? Yeah, they have a Johnny on Leatherface cook. Okay, they don't have any traps, so it's like really good for me because I don't have bomb squad. Oh, I'm dead. Ooh, I'm dead. Oh, he stalled though. I was gonna say, wait, I think he stalls here. Nice, I got lucky. He got a little too excited. Oh, Johnny's down here? Or no, that's Leland stabbing someone. Did get pretty lucky there, I'm not even gonna lie. But he's got to know that Leatherface can stall. He's got to know that, dude. So now the question is... Oh, Cook's right there. No one chasing me? Alright. Do have to be careful here, though. So I can get chased pretty easily. Oh yeah, they're both coming for me. Yeah, this is going down. Alright, I think these guys really want to kill me. Oh, Leatherface down here too. Oh, Johnny's coming down. Whew. These guys really want to kill me, don't they? Yeah, Johnny's coming over here. These guys really want to kill me. Johnny's in the basement, by the way. He might have just went back up. Yeah, these guys really want to kill me bad. He doesn't have strong locks, though. Do we have a Connie? We do not. Okay. I don't think they know. So that's pretty good. Alright, I don't see them chasing or anything. Keep it together, man. Someone's over here now. Where'd they go? Okay. I got the right gate open on gas station, like gen side. Okay, okay. He's listening to me for some reason. Are they coming to kill me? Nope. Okay, no one's coming to kill me. Do need to heal here. Oh, I got battery off, nice. Yikes. I still have battery off? Yeah. No way you put a lock on it, right? Fuck. I don't think I make it in time. He's gonna turn it off. See what you made me go and do? See what you made me go and do?